What's good, your boy YAJ, everything Flavor Ground comment. Today I'm back with another video. Yes sir, clap it up. Oh my god, we come with so much heat and we're being consistent with it as well, bro. Oh my god, like it's crazy, bro. I've been dropping bags lately, ain't gonna lie. Just wait till y'all see the stuff I'm coming with, my outfits for the year and all that, bro. And like, it just been going crazy as well, man. And shout out to y'all for supporting me and going crazy as well on the views and subscriber side, man. Like, I've been getting like crazy. I can't thank y'all enough for that, bro. Man, we're gonna be on 1K subscribers soon before you know it, man. So I really wanna thank y'all for that and appreciate y'all for supporting me all throughout this journey, bro. Cause without y'all with me doing this, and yeah, man, y'all keep me motivated. So without further ado, let's just get up into this video, you feel me? As you can see by the title, I've been going Dior crazy, bro. It's my third pair, my third, you feel me? So yeah, man, let's just get up into this unboxing, see that here we working with, man. Let's show y'all. All right, man, once again, got this off Grilled, you feel me, man? Grilled is where I go for my Dior B22s, ain't gonna lie, they have them for cheaper and different pay routes, all that. So yeah, man, so let's just be cheaper, because you don't always want to pay high price, man. I like to look for steals, and they be looking brand new, and some of them are brand new. So I'm always gonna choose that option, bro. Save me $600-700, bro. Retail, they're like $1,400 at the tech. So getting these for $700, $800, $500, crazy. So yeah, man, let's get into it. And then we also have a repeat seller, my boy over at $1 Million Streetwear, man. Shout out to him. This is the second pair of Dior B22s I bought off him, and for these he gave me a steal, you feel me? He gave me $100 off what he was asking for them. First he was asking $850, then he said he does deals with returning customers. I told him that I bought the Dior B22s, the baby blues, off him like a month prior. He gave me $750 instead. That's the deal, and so really appreciate him for that. And of course him with the fast shipping, bro. He got to me in a day or 2 days, I want to say a day or 2 days. So shout out to him, man. Priority shipping. He's really, I can't even think of it up, man. That's a real great seller. He's really dedicated to his craft. So appreciate him for that. His stuff gonna be in my link again, man. Make sure y'all go shop with him, man. Tell him that YRNJ sent you, or MW Flair sent you. Probably MW Flair, say that I sent you, and then let's see if he can see this, man, because I really do appreciate him for his business. So without further ado, let's just get up into this. Doing too much talking, but I had to say that though, you feel me? Yeah. We ain't got no knife, so we're going to have to use the key, man. Open this baby up. It's a big one. I had to put this one on the floor. I can't even show y'all like I usually do. Yeah. All right, and that's off too. All right. All right, great packaging. Got the bubble wrap up in here, you feel me? Like that, love it. And here we are. These came with the box as well. Forgot to tell y'all that, but y'all was gonna see it anyway. These came with the box. You can see Dior box, you feel me? And then also has a little picture of them right there, you feel me? So that's $45, because that's why I am. Y'all see that retail price, $1,300. So yeah, man, let's open these bad boys up. And oh my God, these babies are hard. Look at that. Oh my God, bro. Sheesh. Look at that, that red, and then that gold, and then that white. Look at it, look at it, look at it. These look brand new. I don't even know if these are brand new. I'm pretty sure these are used, but used once. These fucking look brand new, bro. Oh my God, these are so hard, bro. Just wait till y'all see the little... Oh no, that's hilarious, bro. I think because I'm a return customer, you also put this in Sour Patch Kids, you feel me? Oh my God, that's hilarious, bro. There's, of course, $1 Million Streetwear, you feel me? Man, y'all go shop with him for sure, bro. Best seller I ever encountered, bro. Here's both the pairs, you feel me? These look amazing, per usual. Everything is a script, like he said, bro. He's a great seller, man. Make sure y'all go shop with him, bro. Definitely. I definitely support y'all getting up this fam. Also, here's another, here's another. I think this got folded in half or cut off, but $1 Million Streetwear, a little business card, I guess, you feel me? I kind of like that. $1 Million. It looks like it's cut off, but it's not. It's like the same thing. It's just, okay. Okay, yeah, he's heat, bro. So yeah, make sure I go shop with him, bro. Got the dust bag up here as well, and then I think these are black laces, extra laces, swap laces up here. So if you're gonna swap them, but yeah, man, these are nuts. I ain't gonna lie, I love these. This is my third pair of Dior B22s, like I said, man. I love Dior B22s. It's like becoming my new favorite shoe. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. So yeah, it's my third pair, like I said. It's the most pairs I have in one model at that. I just need the all black Dior B22s and then the white and beige ones, like the white and brown ones. And I think that's all. No, and then the ones that's on the top of my list, these white and royal blue ones. This one seller on Grail had them, bro. He didn't respond to me for over a week, bro. I asked him, are these available? Then I texted him again. First, I texted him, what's the lowest price he'll take for him? And then I texted him again, are these available? And crazy thing, I probably could have got them. It's kind of my fault, but at the same time, bro, that's kind of bad business on his side. Because, bro, why didn't you respond to me quicker? And it wasn't $1 million, okay? This is another seller. Just make that clear, man. He responds really fast, actually. So, bro, I end up deleting Grail, right? Because I need space in my phone so I can record my vlog in Hawaii and all that, right? While I was down there. And tell him I downloaded the app back, bro. Like a day after he sold them. I downloaded the app back a day after he sold them, bro. And he said, oh, I got off for $475 for him, so if you can match it, take it. And I didn't say nothing back. He ended up selling them, bro. That made me so mad that I missed out on them, bro. I really wanted them. Those were hot, bro. Those are so hard, bro. I need those. I still do need them. So if anybody sees them, a pair of size 12 that's in a great condition, hit me and I'll come money ready. You feel me? So yeah, man, don't come petty with the price though. Like, come respectful. You feel me? But yeah, man, those are how these look, bro. And these are amazing, bro. So shout out to him. Like I said, providing excellent shipping and customer service, and thank him for the Sour Patch Kids. So yeah, man, I appreciate that. So I'm actually gonna eat these right now, right after this. So yeah, man, this is gonna do it for this video. Like, comment. Actually, no, I'm tweaking, bro. I didn't get a try on for him. Hold on. Let's get a try on. Then we'll end the video. And here's how they looking on feet, man. Sheesh, these are even cleaner on feet. These are so tough, bro. Just look at that. Oh my God. I'm in love with these. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Just wait till y'all see my birthday outfit I had with these. Oh my God. So yeah, man, that's gonna do it for this video, man. As y'all can see, those are hard, man. I love them. So like, comment, share, subscribe, comment on the video. I want to see you next, man. We want to roll to 1,000 subscribers, man. Hopefully you can hit it in the next month or two, you feel me, man? Keep supporting, man. I'm gonna keep dropping, you feel me? I appreciate y'all for that. And as always, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeah.